Look, I've done videos on massage chairs in the past. It's always a very relaxing experience, and I'm not talking about the unboxing. I mean, like, sitting in the damn thing
Oh, yeah.
and going to another planet of relaxation.
Oh, yeah.
This is a huge box, as you can tell, and it's been a while since I had one of these experiences. And I'll tell you what, man, I need to relax. So this arrived at the perfect time. It's called the uDream from OSIM, and if you don't know anything about them, they are some seriously high-end massage chairs. Over the years, I've dabbled in the massage chairs, and it's time to dabble all over again. Danger. Danger. Damn, she's a beast. This is gonna go straight up. Ooh, it looks like a space pod. Here's our accessories. Scent cartridges, maximum relaxation, power cable. Ooh, cup holder, specially designed for the uDream 5 Senses well-being chair. It's more than a massage chair. It's a well-being chair. Oh, this is like a phone/tablet holder. So you just get to grind your iPad while you're there. Articulating, get your angles slotted in. Cool. Ooh! Luxurious. Wow. Very futuristic. Damn. I'm going into another world in here. This is where I guess my iPad arm slots in right over here. Any controls over here? Footrest, butt and thigh, shoulder position, backrest, some lighting. It kind of feels like one of those first class pods when you're on Emirates, you know? Kind of like shielded from the outer world. Like they make a cocoon. You're in the cocoon. Let's plug this in. Oh, damn. I smell something. Lavender and lang lang. Okay. I like the lang lang better. You smell like fresh laundry or something. It's more subtle. Oh, does my hand go in here? Oh, it does. Somehow, like that. It's for what? Like, is it gonna massage my hand? But then also, I'm like, what are those? This looks like a heart rate monitor. Oh, here we go, well-being. This thing does an AI stress analysis using these two pads. It wants to know your baseline birthday, so I guess your age plays a role, and also your size. Oh, I see. So we're going really upright for the stress test by the looks of it. We're very upright. Now we're gonna place the palms. My body tension score is already minimal. So it said I was minimally stressed right now, but I've been chilling in this chair for a couple minutes, so that might have something to do with it. Oh, look at this. We're getting the foot thing going on. This is basically what you would consider zero gravity. And now you understand why they have the cup holder floating. Regardless of position, the cup stays upright. I'm going to start a recommended massage. It's doing auto shoulder adjustment right now, which is cool. It's finding the height of my shoulders right now. I'm hearing like some subtle music right now. Very gentle music playing on the speakers. It's cool. It's almost like ambient, the music. It's just subtle. A lot of different activities going on. All these like air bladders are filling up, like where my hands and forearms are. Also in the hips and the shoulders, and then the calves, where my calves are, and my feet. Those things are just crunching in a good way, just squeezing, you know. It's very relaxing. The sequencing was almost hypnotic. It's not like a predictable just like pattern of just like up and down, and it's sporadically hitting different body parts, which I think makes it feel more organic. Man, time just disappeared. How long was that? But that's just the program suggestion based on the stress analysis. But there's obviously full control over what it does. You can do a full body massage, a customized massage, a manual program. You can control the music and the other ambience. Oh, there we go. Warm air. Temperature high. Let's try that. That's just heat that I'm controlling there. Oh my goodness. You see that? Each body part, speed, and style I can select. Back, intensity, technique, lumbar intensity. Let's max that. I'm one of those guys, I put these things on blast. Whatever it's doing is good. Oh, it's more power than I was experiencing before. Like good power though.
Oh, yeah. Good power.
I'm looking to get maximum effect. Also, this unit is really squeezing me on the left there. Just squeezing me. By pushing you one direction or the other, it changes where the back and lumbar arms that are massaging it changes where they hit. So you get more coverage because you're sort of manipulating the location of your body relative to those arms.
And of course, there's a bunch of different programs built in. I mean, this is crazy. Like sport recovery, that's for me right there. Full body massage program designed to soothe tense and sore muscles after exercise. I can put a heart beside my favorites. And of course, I can always go in and do my manual adjustments. So you can also set up your own custom programs, and you can bring in the different sections and the sequence that you'd like to have, then save that under your own custom name so you can trigger it quickly as a preset. So OSIM actually has a number of patented technologies inside of their products, and this one is feature packed, from warmth to aroma to the feet and the calves, the leg massager, the 3D surround speakers, and of course their Forehand Pro patent, which massages your upper and lower body concurrently. And then another one, the V-Hand Pro, which is actually the shape of the kneading, and this is going to be in the neck and shoulder area. The chair's also got this cool kind of ambient light around the perimeter to help set the mood, and it's RGB, so you can set it up for whatever you like. So new for 2025, the uDream Pro, it'll connect directly to your Apple Watch and then read your sleep data. And here's the cool part, it doesn't just show you the numbers. Based on your sleep score, it actually recommends a personalized massage program to help you recover and sleep deeper the following night.